This is the Efficiency and Organization YouTube channel, and in today's video, I am going to share with you how it's possible to organize time very effectively to be able to accomplish a lot more during the day. So just a little background for you. I wrote an article once and I described about a time when during like a 4-year time span, I was able to get 2 master's degree, a doctoral degree, work a full-time job. On top of that, teach at the adult school a few nights a day. So I talked about how I was able to accomplish so much of that with really good time management. And I think a lot of it came from just being very efficient. Efficiency is being able to maximize how much energy you're expanding and in the shortest amount of time. So how much can you accomplish in a given amount of time with the least amount of energy? So when people I knew, women especially, learned that oh my gosh, you were able to do so much, look at you, a few years ago you were here, now you're here, I decided that it was time to start teaching and writing about it, which is where Efficiency and Organization, the website, came about. And so in today's video, I specifically want to talk about what efficiency is, or in other words, how can you organize your time better? Okay, so the first thing I do is I write everything I need to accomplish, even if it's something mundane, even if it's something unimportant, I write it all down. Writing things down is so key. And then what I do is I plan out which one am I going to do first, which one am I going to do second, which one third. And in previous videos, if you've watched, I always share, I make it like a game, how much can I accomplish today? You know, it almost becomes like a game for me that I want to win. Being able to have that written list is so important, whether you're using Post-its. So I don't know if you could see, but I have some Post-its on my desk with the various things I need to get done. Or if you use a task sheet, I'm going to have a link for that because I do have that on the website. And basically it's just a simple list that says what things need to get done. And then I circle if it's high importance, medium importance, just focusing on getting them done. So once my list is ready, the way I organize my time, it's all up here. I go, okay, I have to get these 5 things done, for example, right? Okay, what am I going to do first? What am I going to do second? What am I going to do third? It's having a plan of attack for each task. So let's say I want to make soup, wash the dog, clean the bedroom, take a shower, right? I already kind of have a plan. Okay, which one am I going to do first? Which one second? Which one third? Can I put the soup to cook while I go wash the dog? Then by the time that's done, can I go turn off the soup, then go to the next one and the next one? So it's having that system, developing that each day to know when I get up in the morning at 4:30, 5 in the morning, I already have a plan of attack. This is what I'm going to do first, second, third. The third and last thing that I want to share with you is when it comes to time organization, I'm very keen to the idea that time is precious and that every minute, every second counts. And when it's lost, it's gone forever. And so that's why I'm so careful with the minutes and the seconds that I use. So if you're very good at money management, budgeting and managing your money, where you know where every penny goes and you're able to save and stuff, well, guess what? If you treat time the same way, you're in luck. Do what I did. Treat time like it's something so precious and important. That way you could be very wise about how you're using your seconds and minutes. The tasks that you want to accomplish, you have to make sure that as many of them lead to getting major goals that you have in life done as possible. Of course, in life, there are things we have to do because we have to do them. For example, cleaning the bedroom, washing the dog. Those aren't exactly tied to my goals, right? My long-term, short-term goals, but they're things that have to be done that I have to do. But as long as majority of my time is spent doing things that are going to help me accomplish big goals in life, then I'm set. Thank you for being with me today, and I'll catch you in the next video.